Hey everyone, it's Amy. I'm one of your supermarket registered dietitians, and today we are making a Midwest favorite, our creamy mushroom wild rice soup. And we are using our pressure cooker today. So a lot of you guys who have these in your homes, this is a great way to get an easy, healthy meal on the table in a shorter amount of time. So we are going to start by adding in our vegetables into our pressure cooker. So then from here, we're going to add in our chopped onions, a little bit of thyme, a little bit of salt-free garlic and herb seasoning, minced garlic, a little bit of salt, and then our wild rice, and then lastly our chicken broth. So the soup has been cooking on high pressure for about 45 minutes, and now the pressure cooker has told me that the time is done. So we are going to carefully just do a quick release of the steam. So just be sure you're stepping aside as the steam can get very hot. So now that the soup is done in the pressure cooker, we are going to make a roux with butter, flour, and a little bit of milk just to help make the soup a little bit creamier. So we're going to start by putting the heat on low-medium heat. And then we will add in our butter, add in our flour, add in a little bit at a time, keep stirring. You see it starts to thicken up, so we're slowly just going to add in some milk. So now we're just going to add our roux into the pot. This recipe that we've made today is great for those busy weeknights and of course those Midwest winters when it's a little bit chilly outside. So you guys can grab this recipe and so many more from our team of dietitians at celebratemore.com/dietitians.